Can one letter make 4 different sounds? Let's look at the letter I. It can surprise you. First, the short I. Sit. Film. Click. It's usually short when I is between consonants. Now the long I. You'll hear it when there is a magic E at the end of the word, and in the letter team IGH. Examples: sight, file, like, sight, fight, light. IR before a consonant makes sir, firm, flirt. One letter, 3 sounds. I, Repeat after me. Click, like, light, flirt. Now it's your turn. You have 30 seconds to read the words on the screen. Look carefully. What sound does each I make? Short I, long I, or Listen to the answers. Line, link, circus, vampire, night, wine, index, artist, printer, chip, rice, risk, birthday, visit, virus.
Virus. It is virus.
But doctor, why virus? Not varus? Not virus?
The secret is in the syllables. A syllable is a section of a word. It can be closed or open. In virus, the first part, vi, is open because it ends with a vowel, I. So we say vi, not vi. But in villa, vil is a closed syllable. The syllable ends with the consonant letter L, and that makes the vowel short. Let's read the examples. Wi-Fi, open syllables. Villa, vil, closed. Spider, picnic. Spy, open. Pic-nic, closed. Icon, I, an open syllable. Con, closed. And yes, one vowel letter can be a syllable by itself. Internet, in is a closed syllable here. Minus, my. Nus, my, an open syllable. Mixer, mixer. Mix, a closed syllable. Remember, open syllable, long sound, I. Closed syllable, short sound, I. It is time to practice. Reading quiz. 30 seconds and 15 words to read. Good luck. You can do it. Good job! Now, let's listen to the answers. Final, filter, visit, clinic, Bible, index, crisis, inform, idle, disco, tiger, migrant, finance, fitness, minister.
Stop. Wait. What is that symbol in the word minister? Do we say min ester? Is it ɛ? But
No. It's not eh. That's the schwa sound, the softest vowel in English. Listen. When I is stressed, it's strong and clear. Like in filter, final, flirt. Stressed means the syllable has a stress mark, and we can hear the vowel clearly. Normally, the first syllable of a word is stressed. Listen. Minister, not minister. Filter, not filter. The first vowel is the confident commander of a word. When a vowel is not stressed, it's no longer a commander. It becomes a quiet schwa assistant. Or Examples. Minister, devil, family. Say it with me. Minister, devil, family. Remember, the stressed vowel controls the word. The unstressed vowel, the schwa, is a quiet assistant. Now, we have come to the special station in France. These endings are special. We don't read them as tion or cial. A quick history. These endings, tion and cial, came from French, but we say them the English way. Shun and shul. Examples. Station, section, emotion, special, official, social. Here, T or C becomes a soft sh, and the I becomes a sound. Please repeat after me. Special, station. Special, station. Bonjour from France.
that was interesting and easy. Give me a piece of pie. Wait, what? I plus E makes E or I?
Good question. IE has two sounds. In the middle of a word, it's a long E. Piece, field, like in the word beep. At the end of a word that has two or more syllables, still long E. Selfie, Barbie. But in a short word that has only one syllable, it's I. Pie, lie, tie. So, long words, E. Short one-syllable words, I. Repeat. Piece, E. Pie, I. Let's read and test what we have learned. You have 30 seconds and 15 words to read. Good luck. Hear the answers. Piercing, chief, die, inflation, financial, situation, pie, premiere, family, basil, peace, devil, special, minimum, fashion. The test was good, but now it gets a little harder. Ready for the final challenge? It is a final reading quiz. You have 30 seconds but 25 words to read. 3, 2, 1. Start. The answers are like, click, flirt, virus, villa, piece, file, pie, sir, devil, chip, firm, film, Bible, icon, light, nation, selfie, picnic, special, station, minister, internet, finance, fitness. You did it! Such a selfie moment. Good job. Thanks for watching. I have a special bonus for you. Many students don't hear the difference between I and E, but don't worry, after this you will. First, look and listen to the pairs. Click, leak. Chip, cheap. Film, feel. It, eat. Now close your eyes. Don't look, just listen. Chip, 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 chip. Cheap, 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 cheap. Cheap chip, cheap chip, cheap chip, cheap chip, cheap chip. Did you hear it? If not, listen again. I promise you will. That's all for today. Press like and subscribe.